If you have a Typhoon HPlus, you can now edit cable cam routes to fly surveys or plan videos in advance. Here's how. To demonstrate, I'm going to create a simple survey on my desktop and convert it on the ST16 using UAV Toolbox. To start off, I'm using Yuneec's DataPilot application running on my PC. I can draw out a survey like this, and once I'm happy with it, save it as a .plan file. I'll then connect my ST16 to copy the file across using the USB cable. It's saved on my PC in the Documents, DataPilot, Missions folder. On the ST16, I can store it in the Downloads folder. Copying it is just a question of dragging the file across. Then, on the ST16, I need to quit out of the flight mode application and start UAV Toolbox. On the main screen, I tapped Missions and then create a new mission. I can give it a name and then use my last flight to locate the map. In the mission editor, I can create my own missions, but this time I'll just import the .plan file. I go to the File Manager, Download folder, and there's the file we copied across earlier. Now that it's imported, you can see in the top right, the editor estimates the correct speed to fly to get the right distance between photos in time-lapse mode. At this speed, the flight is longer than a battery can support, so we'll add split points to break it into multiple flights. We simply drag the slider to the left to define the maximum flight time that it would take. We'll split it into about 5 flights here, of a little over 10 minutes each. We can adjust the split points in the editor, but we'll accept these defaults for now. Now we can export this as a set of cable cam routes to use in the standard Yuneec flight app. Give it a name, click OK, and we've exported it, ready to fly. It's as simple as that.